Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you all what I have here. I have a lumbar brace, and so I kind of set it up with the full apparatus going here, and I want to show you all what it is here. So it kind of gives you the ability to wrap it around. I've got it on over on my clothes and stuff, but you get the idea. But it'll wrap around. Well, I'm too fat for this one, but I need to loosen it. But it'll wrap around and it'll give you the support you need, like in your back, like that. And then you can take off this piece here. This one here is detachable, so if you don't need quite as much support, you can take these off. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about here. There we go. So it's easily adjustable. So that was for like full support if you wanted the full support, full Monty. Let me see. There's that one and this one here. So you don't have to use this full support here, but if you just want minimal support, then you've got this here, and you've got this thing here, so you can adjust it, and I have mine adjusted to full length. See, what I would do here is go here lower, move this one here, down to here maybe, and then it'll pull, and then I think I have to loosen these up. Oh, and then it'll kind of open up a little bit as it pulls the strings, so that's how it makes it bigger and smaller. So that's why it didn't quite fit me at first, but I still didn't open it up enough. But you can kind of see, you can wrap it up like this, and this will give you the support you need in the back and in the sides and everything like that. So if you need some good lumbar support, you have that. Let me just show you here in the manual how this thing kind of really works, because I'm not an expert, but you see this is what it'll look like when it's all assembled correctly. And then here's how you would use it like that. So you can kind of get an idea, wrapping it around and whatnot, like there. And then you can, once it's wrapped around, you can pull the little, those other straps to tighten it up. And see, then you have the ability to use the big support piece here. So if you really hurt your back, you could do that. And that's kind of it here. I guess that's all the information, but you can wear this pretty much for anything. I mean, you could wear it while you're exercising and doing other stuff there. It's comfortable and it'll stay on. This Velcro is ridiculously strong. I mean, I only clipped the very little last bit of it and it's not going anywhere. So super cool. Nice little lumbar support device. Thumbs up for sure.